Guys, Web3 is a cool concept and gaming is an even more cool concept. But what if we combine both of them, that is Web3 and gaming? Web3 gaming. Let's see. So what is Web3 gaming? So Web3 gaming is the process of decentralized gaming. Yes, the democratic system for gamers is here, guys, it's here. And if you watch my videos regularly, then you must be knowing that the primary feature of Web3 is decentralization. That is, the power is distributed. That is, the power is not with the hands of just that central authority, but that power lies within us. We have the power to control the system in our way, not their way. And hence I said that the democratic system for gamers is here. A gaming ecosystem where the decision making won't be in the hands of just centralized authority or the game developers, but also you. And the gaming ecosystem where you will actually own the gaming assets irrespective of the particular game. By shifting the powers from the centralized authority like gaming company to the community of gamers, the idea of this Web3 gaming is to provide our gamers a voice, and this is what Web3 gaming is. But why do we need to adopt a new gaming system? Isn't the previous system and the previous gaming industry good enough? It is, yes, it is good, but still there are some problems with the current gaming industry which needs to be addressed and solved. The first one is centralization. Yes, centralization. The rights to make the changes in the games or updates in the games lies within the hands of that gaming company. They have the whole right to decide and make changes as they want and not gamers want. Gamers don't have any right to voice their opinions about whether the update is good for the gamers or not. No one, literally no one cares for the gamers, and they are just allowed to follow the instructions of the gaming company. Second is there's no ownership. Yes, there's no ownership. As of now, gamers do not possess the entire ownership of the asset which they purchase in that game, and that asset is just limited to that game itself. For example, you purchase any skin or any gun in Free Fire by your own money, and you think that it's yours. But no, my friend, it's not yours. You just have the license to use that skin or that gun in that particular game, in our case, which is Free Fire. Just tell me, can you use that skin or that gun in the other game like PUBG? No, right? And that's why I said that there's no ownership. The third one is lack of privacy. It's Web2, guys, it's Web2. We can't really expect privacy at all. There's no privacy. So your data, that is your gaming related personal data, is being saved on the big servers of that company. And they have the whole control, that is they have the complete control over your valuable data and can also operate in their ways and not in your way. Which means that the gaming administrator have the complete control of your usage of data, thus risking the data privacy and the security at the same time. And that is the reason why the games like PUBG and Free Fire are getting banned in several other countries, including India. How Web3 is revolutionizing the gaming industry? First one is through ownership. So Web3 gaming offers a self-sovereignty where players can completely own the in-game assets and collectibles as NFTs. So as I addressed the issue with Web2 was that the in-game assets like guns, skins or perks are just limited to that game itself and not outside it. But Web3 gaming is solving that problem by providing the full ownership of that gaming assets with the help of NFTs. Yes, NFTs, and if you want to know more about NFTs, then click here, yeah. So NFTs are allowing the gamers, allowing the players to claim the full ownership of all the in-game assets and collectibles. For example, when any player purchases an item or in-game asset in Web3, then that item will be linked to that person and not the game, and hence providing the full ownership of that digital asset across various platforms. The second is no downtime. As I already said that the Web3 gaming is based on the blockchain. And you also already know that the blockchain means decentralization. That is, the data and the working of the game is not stored on the limited centralized servers of any company, but they are distributed among thousands and thousands of the participants of the network. That is thousands and thousands nodes of the network. That is thousands and thousands of computers of the network. So the probability of every computer going down at the same time is low, like very low, and hence there is no single point of failure, and hence there is no or negligible downtime. The third one is transparency. Blockchain based gaming relies on the voting consensus. That is, dear gamers, you have the right to vote for the modification of the gaming process. That is, you guys will decide how the updates of the games will be. That is, you guys will decide how the changes of the games will be. This system tailors the gaming ecosystems based on the players' liking. That is, based on your liking. That is, they care for you. Web 3.0 cares for you. And also, every activity is recorded on blockchain, giving Web3 games a high level of openness and transparency. The fourth one is old game integration. So what if I tell you will play the old games like San Andreas and Vice City with the technology of today, like more graphics, more VFX, and most importantly, decentralized modes of operation. You will be like, what? But yes, this is what Web3 gaming is offering for us. That is the integration and upgradation of the traditional gaming models into the metaverse and blockchain platforms, which is like upgrading your most loved games of the earlier era into the models of blockchain and metaverse, giving them a decentralized modes of operation. Just imagine taking a bike in the San Andreas and riding it in the world of Vice City. Amazing, right? Guys, this is how Web3 is revolutionizing the gaming industry. And mark my words, a paradigm shift is coming. Alright guys, this was all about Web3 gaming. And I want to talk to you, like my exams are coming in the future, like in 15 or 20 days, and I'm thinking that I should reduce the frequency of the videos. Like instead of 2 videos per week, I'll be uploading 1 video per week, or maybe I'll be uploading 1 long form video on Tuesday and 1 short form, like 1 short video on Friday. Just want your suggestions, like how should I manage for it, because I need to study also. And yes, study से याद आया, I have made a dedicated video on psychology of scrolling. Like sometimes it happens like you scroll without having any consciousness. I have talked about the psychology of scrolling in that video, like why do you scroll, and like there are big teams of behavioral scientists and psychologists which are working in the lab for 24/7 to keep you, my friend, hooked. Yes, to keep you hooked. Click on this video to know what I am talking about. And if you found this video useful, then please like, share, and also comment down, and also share this on Instagram. Keep story, tag me, do anything. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.